Prime numbers are numbers which only have two factors, themselves and 1. Please note that all prime numbers are greater than or equal to 2. Therefore, the number 1 is not a prime number. It's a commonly held misconception that 1 is a prime number, but it is most certainly not. Consider 2. There is only one way of writing this as a product, 2 times 1. Therefore, it only has two factors, 2 and 1. Therefore, 2 is prime. If we look at 3, there's only one way of writing this as a product, 3 times 1. It only has two factors, 3 and 1. The same is true for 5. And for 7. However, if we consider 9, 9 can be written as 9 times 1, but also as 3 times 3. So all of these are prime, since they only have two factors, themselves and 1. But 9 is not prime, since it also has another factor, 3. 2 is something of a special prime. It's special because it is the only even prime number. Consider why this is the case. If we took any other even number, such as 6, we know that 6 could be 6 times 1, but it's also 2 times 3. 2 is a factor of any even number. And if 2 is a factor of any even number other than 2 would have 2 as a factor as well as itself and 1. And therefore the number would not be prime. A prime number can only have itself and 1 as a factor. Prime numbers are extremely important and are used in a variety of applications. One of the most important is cryptography. The codes that keep your money safe in a bank are controlled by prime numbers.